Power BI gives you a great self-service BI platform delivered through Excel and Office 365. Power BI provides information workers and everyday business users with excellent data analysis and visualization capabilities to get better and deeper business insights. So how does this help with analysis of CRM data? With the ability to extract and transform CRM data using familiar Excel environment, you can quickly build Power View, Power Map based reports with powerful and interactive visualizations to get insights from CRM data. To make it easier to get started with analyzing Dynamics CRM data with Power BI, Dynamics CRM 2015 release will provide a few example Power BI workbooks. The goal is twofold. One, to easily understand the value of visualizing and analyzing CRM data with Power BI. Two, give you a starting point to customize these workbooks to your needs and be more productive with Power BI tools. Account and Deal Analysis Workbook is targeted for Sales Manager role to get insights around accounts, leads, and opportunities and help them better understand their pipeline and sales performance and what they need to focus on to meet their revenue goals. With Deal Analysis Workbook, you get several reports with focus on areas such as pipeline analysis, sales performance analysis, win-loss analysis, lead analysis. With pipeline analysis, you get reports that help answer questions like, how is the revenue spread across the pipeline? How is the revenue spread geographically? What are my top opportunities and who are my top accounts? With sales performance analysis, you get reports that help answer questions like, what is the average deal size? What is the average deal age and how is it trending month by month? With win and loss analysis, you get answers to questions like, how much revenue is won and lost and how is it trending? What is the win rate and loss rate and how is it trending month by month? And how much revenue is won and lost against each competitor? With lead analysis, you get answers to questions like, what is the volume of leads generated month by month? What are the top lead generating campaigns? And how are leads distributed across channels? Similarly, with Customer Service Analysis Workbook, targeted for Service Manager role, you get insight into incoming service cases and how effectively your support team is helping to resolve these cases. With case analysis, you get reports that help answer questions like, what is the incoming rate of cases day by day? How are the incoming cases distributed by origin or priority or type? And what is the distribution of cases by service reps and service queues? With SLA analysis, you can answer questions like, what is the SLA status of my open cases? What is the distribution by priority of these cases? With service performance analysis, you can analyze performance on resolved cases. What is the average time to resolve a case? What is the average daily resolution rate? And what is the distribution of cases across various subject areas? By analyzing CRM data with Power BI, you get better and deeper business insights on metrics of interest, which in turn will help you to understand and optimize your business.